Okay guys, so as you can see, next up we've got one of these fantastic Abus 2070s, and this has got the Abus Plus core. This is actually one of the newer versions as well. As you can see by the bit in there, it's pretty radical actually. We've got some 6 cuts, some 0 cuts, some 6 cuts, and probably a 2 or 3 cut, I would have thought. Actually quite a tricky lock to pick actually. Very kindly lent to me by CC MOGS, a caretaker from South Wales. So my friend, thank you very much for sending this. I really do appreciate it. Yeah, because I actually did one of the older 2080s a little while ago. And CC MOGS very kindly lent me this this smaller version, so thank you very much again. Okay, back to the lock. It's got a 6-disc core in it with false gates. Lock works absolutely flawlessly, as you would expect. I think it is pretty new, if not brand new. And like I said before, yeah, it's actually quite a tricky lock to pick actually. So I'll tell you what we'll do. We'll just back you up a little bit, and what we'll do, we'll get the vice over and see if we can get this picked open. Okay, let's just put that in there like that. Okay, let's just that should be fine. Let's just back you up a bit. Let's just lift you up a bit. Sorry about the movement on the camera there. That's good. Okay, so obviously with all disc locks, we will rotate all the discs clockwise as far as they will go. I showed you the lock worked, and we're going to use the Lock Sporters silver bullet 3D printed one. Okay, so we need to pick up disc number 6, which is actually harder than you think. Okay, let's just make sure we can get through all the discs. Okay, so we're just on 6. That's good. Okay, so hopefully you can see everything that's going on there. Okay, got a little click there. Nothing on 4. Nothing on 3. A couple of clicks out of 2. Keep everything nice and square there. Okay, that's good. Keep my hands out of the way there. Okay, that's good. I'm on number 1 now. Okay, got some very definite clicks there. That's good. Okay, it feels good. So I have picked this before, but it's still a very tricky lock to pick. Okay, so we need to go down to there. This is down to 5. That's good for 5. Got a definite couple of clicks there. 4. That's good there. That's good for there. Okay, let's see if we can get that open. Okay, that's definitely good there. I'm just going back through the disc stack now just to see what sort of movement I've got on each disc. Okay, I think we're there actually. So we need to counter rotate. That's good. We're there. Just going to need to tilt this down a little bit. It just needs a bit of assistance, he says. Let's just get myself orientated there. As I said, because it is just a 3D printed tool, obviously it does. You can see it just needs a little bit of help. There you go. There you go. It's just because the tool's just not strong enough to actually sort of grip and tighten it without sort of ruining the tool there. But as you can see, we've got it picked. Very tricky one, this one actually, I must say. The 2080 I had was relatively straightforward apart from the floating core. This one hasn't got the floating core, but yeah, you definitely need to have your wits about you with this one. But once the actual core gives, and you just go back through and do like what you call the wiggle test through each disc, you can pretty much tell it's open, and then we just got to obviously see just to give it a little bit of assistance and we get it open. So once again, my friend, thank you very much for sending it over to me, CC MOGS from South Wales. Thanks ever so much. And listen guys, hope you enjoyed that. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and of course thanks for watching and have a great day.